Let's go fishing.
Let's go fishing.
I'm on a mission.
I'm on a mission.
It's so pretty, I'd sure hate to waste this chance. We'll find a shady little spot, not too high, perfect for a little fishing and romance. Oh yes. There's nothing so inviting, nothing quite as exciting as a little fishing when they're biting. Let's go fishing.
I spent another morning on Lake Okeechobee down at Tin House this morning, guys, and I took my little helicopter down there, and I got to give you a bird's eye view of what's going on down there since the water's going way down, and it's grass, guys, everywhere. You look, there's grass, eel grass, about every kind of grass you can think of. But one thing I don't understand is they've still got people down there spraying. I mean, I don't understand why they're spraying the grass, the good grass. I don't understand that. I really don't. But anyway, the birds and the alligators and everything else likes the new vegetation that's coming up, and they're going to take it down to, I think, this is all hearsay, 9 foot, and there's not going to be no water here. I mean, they're going to take a in there and scrape it, as in, I don't know. They done it a few years ago, but there's not much water there now. I mean, it's all vegetation, which that's what everybody wants, and you got it. I mean, you really got it. Yeah, I spent about 4 hours down here this morning running around just looking at this and that. It was amazing. There wasn't another boat in sight down there, and that's unusual on Okeechobee. Just the birds and me, very quiet, and that's what I like, until about 10 o'clock, and then the airboats come in and stuff to spray. Morning, boys and girls. I'm out here starting out with one of Hoyt's spinner baits, and starting right off the bat. Golly, they fight. Done a good job getting a hook on that one, guys. Oh, Hoyt pays off again. Yeah, it was just another peaceful morning down there on Lake Okeechobee, and just kind of scooting around here and there and seeing what the lake looks like when they're dropping it down. I think it's 11.7 right now, 11.7, and still going down. But yeah, I mean the fish have kind of moved out a little bit. It's nothing like it was about a week ago. I mean, you can get down here and just catch a backload of them with no problem. But this morning you got to kind of work for them a little bit, which that's all right. When you got to work for them like that, it makes you really appreciate a good day down there when you can catch them about every cast. But no complaints. Still caught some fish on Hoyt's baits. I mean, it's on Hoyt's spinner baits and Horticator, and also Hoyt's jig. With the bear hair and the trailer on the back. The trailer, it really don't make any difference. I use a trailer that's usually got some kind of little bit of action to it, you know what I mean? And I shorten it. I make it, because a lot of the fish are really small, and I shorten it a little bit, at which I can catch them, you know. Never seen another person down there this morning. That was a good thing. I mean, it was really quiet. No tournaments, and just a peaceful morning catching fish, and that's what's so relaxing. Boys and girls, you want to do this, give me a call, and I'll book me a trip, and I'll take you. You know what I'm saying? Whether you want to use shiners or you want to use artificial, it's $400 for a half a day. And I don't do more than a half a day, guys. So you can do whole days on the lake with some of the guys there at the shop at Gary's Tackle Shop. Call them, and they'll take you a whole day. But I just do a half a day anymore. Half a day is enough for me. Always good to hear that spinnerbait clanging and banging. The microphone picking that up. Fish on, guys, fish on. Oh, golly. Alrighty. I'm just paralleling the reed, just going down through there. If there were a little pocket in there, I just kind of flip that spinnerbait in there and just kind of slow roll it out. But yeah, it's just it was working. I mean, you know, I was catching fish. We got another full moon coming up, and we ought to have some more fish coming in to spawn, and that'll be May. There'll be another batch come in, I'd say. And the shad, what's really this time of year is really important, that full moon, is the shad come in and they do their thing, and then the other fish follow them in to feed on the shad and the Kissimmee grass and the reeds, and it's just a good mornings are just a good time to catch fish. You see here the fish are blowing up on the shad and kind of showing herself early in the morning, you know, and which that makes it a lot easier, you know, like that little point right there. You get down there and catch a few off of it. As the sun come up, I switched over to the jig, the bear hair and the trailer on it, and Hoyt's bait, and I just started picking. You just got to slow way down, you know, when that sun comes up, because the ones that don't move, you know, back out in the lake, they pull back into the way back into the reeds, trying to get away from that sun, and yeah, just got to change tactics a little bit and keep right on catching fish. I miss a lot of fish because I got to sit down. Of course, you know, like I said, I'm 73 years old and I can't stand up and do it. So I got to kind of. It's hard to set the hook sometimes when you're sitting like that, but you know, I still catch them. You know. The old bear hair jig, guys. I'm a believer in it. I really am. I catch a lot of fish on that thing. And I did up north too. I caught buku, a smallmouth, and largemouth up there. What's nice about it is that when you flip it in there, it goes down. It kind of pulsates down with that bear hair, and And then when you're pulling it out, you know, you kind of just like I'm picking it up and dropping it. When I'm dropping that thing, it's flaring. That hair, that bare hair, you know, it's coarse and it flares out like a fish, and it triggers the bite, I think, and it really is an effective way of catching fish, especially in the thick stuff. And it's weedless, which you can throw it right back in the thickest of the thin. You know what I'm saying? Anywhere them little rascals will be hiding. Well, I always say. Yeah, the old sun's coming up. You can see it there, and they'll pull back there and get into a ambush spot. I always say they get back here where they ambush a bluegill or a shad going by in the weeds, or a jig. Again, just a quiet morning and caught fish. It was just a real nice morning. You can see it breeze just blowing, barely blowing. And that's the way I like it. I don't like it flat, but I like a little bit of breeze to keep a little bit of cover going, even in the open water. see the markers here going in the prairie, and I'm telling you, you don't want to get one way or the other out of them. You want to stay right in the middle of them. It's still right in the middle of them. It's only 2 foot right here. If you go on the other side, either side of those, it's about 6 inches. I mean, you'll bust something up. Yeah, they got them marked all the way into the mouth of Indian Prairie. Then you can run up to the ramp and take the boat out. But yeah, you don't want to go left or right out of these things. And when it gets down another foot, you ain't gonna be able to get in here. You're not gonna be able to do it. But there's only gonna be about a foot of water. It's fat right there. Yeah, guys, had a good time today, and I'm gonna get them again tomorrow. The alligators up here, they take a beating. You'll see here in a minute. Somebody hit a big old alligator and killed it. The prop probably hit it. Got a number on it. It's low water. It's kind of hard on the manatees and the alligators.